Where are we going, sir?
You walk over here, talk to me, so I don't know.
I don't want to talk to you.
So then go home.
Yeah?
You're going to jail. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Cabrón, me están arrestando, bro.
Boarding pass dispute at an airport counter. 3 criminal charges filed. 2 uses of force admitted on bodycam. 1 on-camera comment that may expose the department to federal civil rights liability. How did it escalate this far, and was any of it legally justified?
She threw it back, and it's back over there, sir.
Do you need it?
I need it, and I want it. I follow you.
Yeah, here you go.
You can hold that.
I don't need it. Do you want it?
I want it.
There you go.
Thank you. Where are we going, sir?
You walk over here, talk to me, so I don't know.
I don't want to talk to you.
So then go home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to catch the next flight.
You're gonna behave, okay?
Behave.
Yeah, you're gonna
How is behave?
You're gonna listen to me, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna behave because we already got one call for you.
Okay. Who?
Us.
Okay. Walk me out. Let me get the fuck out of here. Awesome. I'll follow you. Papa, you got 1 follower. 1 real follower.
Excuse me?
I know you got no followers.
What did you say?
I ain't talking to you.
All right, do me a favor, back the up. Back,
How
back
far?
over
6
to me.
foot? Okay, hold on. You want that?
Back the up.
No, we don't need witness.
Go ahead and walk out.
Why?
Walk out right now.
Which way?
Control 121, send me another unit.
Which way?
That way.
Can I have my
Nope, let's go. You're going to jail. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. I don't know where's the
All
way
right, you're
out.
being trespassed from the airport.
Okay.
You need to leave right now.
Okay, where's the way
Let's
out?
go.
Where's the way out?
Tell you to leave right there.
I don't
That's
know
the way
where-
out right
Sir,
there.
I don't know where's the way out.
Leave now or you're going to jail.
Sir, I don't know where's the way out. I'm following you. Hold on. I'm following.
Yeah, I got it.
Mariana, estoy en la cárcel. Oh God, be fine, but listen. I'm walking out well, though.
Way too many chances. You understand? Go to jail.
Can we maybe get another unit over there?
How much is pressing? I'm following. I don't know which way to go.
No, I told you where to go. I told you to follow me.
I'm following you, but you did not walk away from me.
1251.
Mariana, me están laqueando. So, chequea porque ven para acá porque me están arrestando. Cabrón, me están arrestando, brother.
Yo sé, pero ¿por qué lo fronteas?
Yo no estoy fronteando, cabrona. My phone is right there. I just bought the phone, sir.
It's okay. I have a car this way. You have a car over here?
Someone. All right, let's go.
You have a car here?
Which way we going?
Okay, I'm over here. I got a car.
Let's go. Let's go.
160 something.
Let's go.
I'm glad you're okay, but go.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It doesn't suck. Okay.
You gotta walk faster.
No.
If you want.
What's that?
You don't understand English?
I do, yeah.
Walk in English.
Huh? I don't know what you're saying.
Me neither. Amazing. Tampa ain't.
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna borrow your place here. Keep your feet up.
Hey, so get my shoes dirty.
Take that fanny pack off.
141, are you on the service call?
Awesome. Last time I did that. Yeah, I don't know.
On zone 3 now, but door
I got arrested. That's crazy. You guys are broke now. You own your house or you buying your house?
What's that? God, you're talking to the wrong guy. I don't really care what you say, what you want.
Why
You're not
do you-
impressing me, okay?
You was almost.
I've been doing this too long. You're not impressing me.
Me too.
Crazy.
How long are you?
Don't really care.
There
Like
you go.
this? Perfect.
Also, how
And
long
just
you
shut
been
your
doing
mouth.
this? Are you buying a house?
That's how it's playing?
Are you paying for a
Okay, what
mortgage?
criminal car?
Are you paying for
Control 121, copy Florida driver's license. Got 11015.
Number, that's 1015, go ahead with the Florida deal.
Amazing. Te aprietan.
Number.
Bien.
Yeah, you're not that one. Fake Latino right here.
Como digo.
Tiene que ser boricua, tiene que ser. Cho cabrón. No hay coca ni manteca ahí, papi. ¿Quieres manteca? Que no llame, papito.
¿Por qué tú hablas así?
¿Por qué no? ¿Tienes prueba de lo que yo hago?
Alex, this yours?
Cojones.
The black one is.
A mí sí cojones.
It's a button on the side.
Yeah, a little circle.
It's on the bottom. Right here. Put your keyboard.
There's no waiting at the curbside. The curbside is for customers who are
Have a seat, big guy.
There's some more guy for you.
Either way, if you get in by yourself, it's a lot easier on you.
12-4.
Coca?
24, you can cancel
On the weekend. On the weekend.
You know it, I know it.
We're gonna buckle you in for your safety. I want to make sure
Or
you're
yours.
okay.
I'm already here.
I want to make sure you're okay.
Let's go, man.
All right.
I'll dump it in there.
I don't know. Alex, how did it all start? Just was listening?
Yeah, so he was giving. Hold on, let me close the door here.
I was around the corner and they already had him pretty.
He was giving Spirit a hard time. When I come up, he's already on the phone arguing. Spirit says we give him a refund. We just want him out of here. So I was like, all right, let's go, buddy. He's like, I'm not going until I get my boarding pass. I said, but they gave you a refund. He's like, I want my boarding pass. So I said, okay. Give him his boarding pass. He gives him the boarding pass. I'm like, here you go, sir. He's like, I don't want that. I'm like, okay, do you want it or do you not want it? He's like, I want it. I said, so here you go.
That's why I just
So he takes it.
I was about 2 seconds behind you.
Starts mouthing off.
He had no chance.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. So he said something like, you mother.
Trying to get the double
I was like,
handcuffs on him.
you need to
These
stop.
guys haven't like touched it up.
Get out of here or you're going to get arrested. Oh, what? He started mouthing off again. Then he does one of these. So I shoved him. I said, stand back.
All right.
Don't come close to me. And he does it again. So I pulled out my taser. I said, you're going to get the fuck out of here right now.
I didn't see that. Oh, did you pull a taser?
I'll pull a taser.
So
Yes.
you told me you were going to do an R2R. I didn't.
No, I definitely have to do an R2R.
Yeah.
I said, you're right now you're being trespassed. You got to leave the airport. Oh, I'm not going nowhere. So, do you hereby voluntarily make the following statement without threat, coercion, or benefit or favor by any person whatsoever?
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell me what happened.
So he came up to get rebooked, and then he was just very loud and just high energy already, and he wouldn't really let me get a word in, and just how they all are, just being dicks, and just like wouldn't let me talk. So I kind of just got frustrated, and I told him, "Do you want a rebook or you want a refund?" I never really went anywhere, and he just got angry, started like talking crap to his person in Spanish that was on the phone. Like I knew that, so I was sick of it, so I just refunded him and told him to please get out of my life. And then he just wasn't, he was being loud, wasn't wanting to move away.
Even after you told him to get out, he didn't want to move? Okay.
Yeah, he said, I'm going to stand right here. I'm going to stand right here until you want to help me.
Yeah.
And then,
I think I was walking up towards because I heard him say that, so I remember that, and then that's when we came.
yeah.
Do you think he was maybe intoxicated or anything like that? Maybe.
Honestly, he might have, but he probably just seemed like that type of person. He kept saying, like, I know, you can say it, I'm crazy, I've gone it before.
Yeah.
like that,
Okay.
so I don't know.
Okay. And then you guys called. Who called? Do you know?
I don't think I didn't call.
Okay,
I was
fine.
doing
You
that,
didn't call.
but someone called. I think it might have been Sonya or something.
But you did refund him, correct? He got all his money back.
Yeah,
and
I
other
didn't want
than
to do
that,
it anymore, so I'm just gonna refund it. I don't care.
there was no other business after the refund, right? You just
I
ready-
threw his thing in the trash can because he kept throwing it at me. So
Okay.
I threw it in the trash can.
Oh.
That's when he was like, I want my ticket. And then we were like,
The paper? What was it?
Yeah,
The
it
receipt
was-
or whatever?
No, it was
The
just
boarding
like
pass?
his boarding pass from the flight.
Did he throw it at you, or he just threw it like?
I gave it to him, and then he just kind of like tossed it, and then it flew at me.
Okay.
Like,
Did it hit
with the
you?
wind.
Cool. Okay, yeah, that's all I need. Obviously he was arrested, so it's a lengthy report. I appreciate
so
it.
sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Listen, we can't. You're in a public place. This is the airport. You gotta act accordingly. So you're good. All right. I won't keep you anymore.
Okay.
Enjoy that overtime money.
Graham v. Connor, 490 US, 386, 1,000. 989 force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. Standard: was the level of threat sufficient to justify the level of response applied? Lesson: every use of force in this footage must pass this test individually. US Constitution. Fifth Amendment: a subject has the right to refuse to speak with officers at any time. Verbal non-cooperation alone cannot justify escalation or additional charges. Lesson: silence is a constitutional right, not evidence of guilt or resistance. First Amendment, Glick v. Cunniff, 655 F.3d 78, First Sir. 2011, citizens have a constitutionally protected right to observe and record police in public spaces. Directing a bystander away to prevent observation may constitute a First Amendment violation. Lesson: public accountability is not optional. It is constitutionally required. Florida Statute 810.8 Trespass in 2 structure or conveyance 2 elements required. 1. Notice to leave. And 2. Willful refusal to leave. Repeatedly asking which way is the exit is not willful refusal. It is a request for guidance. Lesson: confusion is not defiance. Mens rea is a required element. This charge is legally vulnerable. Florida Statute 843. 2. Resisting officer without violence requires knowing and willful obstruction of an officer performing a lawful duty. Executive Order 13,166, 2000. Language barriers must be meaningfully addressed before non-compliance is presumed. Lesson: a subject who cannot understand which direction to go cannot be willfully refusing to go there. 14th Amendment, 42 U.S.C. Section 1000. 983 Ren v. United States. 517 U.S. 806, 1000. 996 racially charged on-camera comments during an arrest are admissible in federal civil rights litigation. Ren permits pretextual stops but does not shield an officer from civil liability under Section 1000. 983. Lesson: bodycam does not protect officers from themselves. What is recorded can and will be used in court. Florida Statute 856. 11. Disorderly intoxication requires actual intoxication and a public disturbance or danger to persons or property. Witness statement on record. He probably just seemed like that type of person. Lesson: personal impression is not evidence. This charge lacks the statutory evidentiary foundation. Florida Statute 776. 5. Use of force by law enforcement force must be reasonably necessary for a lawful arrest. Proportionate to resistance offered. Florida Post Continuum. Taser display requires active resistance, not passive verbal non-compliance. Lesson: displaying a weapon to coerce compliance is a use of force event requiring documentation and review. City of Houston v. Hill 482 U.S. 451, 1000. 987 verbal challenges to law enforcement, including profanity and gesturing, are generally protected speech. An arrest based solely on protected speech or gesture, without more, violates the First Amendment. Lesson: what an officer finds offensive and what the law permits are not the same legal threshold. 3 charges were filed. All 3 carry documented legal vulnerabilities. The civil rights claim under Section 1000. 983 has not been filed yet. Was the subject willfully defiant or genuinely confused about the exit? Was the real escalation captured on camera, or did it happen before the body cam was activated? The footage shows what was recorded. The court will decide what it means.